we have to copy the problem. That is, f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. Then we begin differentiating. So it will be f of x prime is equal to 3. We open parentheses, x plus h, we close parentheses, square plus 4, open parentheses, x plus h minus 1. Minus, we open parentheses, 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. We close parentheses, all this over h. F of x prime is equal to 3, we open parentheses, 2x plus 2xh plus h squared, and we close parentheses. We here have to do the first thing that we have to do is exponent. So as the parentheses is square, we have to open it. Plus 4x plus 4h minus 1 minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 1. We multiply the negative sign by all the numbers that are inside the parentheses. All is over h. Then we copy again. F of x prime is equal to, and we gotta distribute, so the 3 multiply. So it will be 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus 1 minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1, this over h.
Then, when you have multiplied all the parentheses, you should cross out all the numbers that have positive and negative and are the same. For example, in this problem, you should cross out 3x to the power of 2 and minus 3x to the power of 2. Then you should rewrite your function with the remaining terms. In this case, it will be f prime of x equals 6xh plus 3h to the power of 2 plus 4h, all divided by h. You should notice that in the numerator, every term has an h. So what we will be doing next is writing f prime of x equals, and then you take out the h, so it will be h parentheses 6x plus 3h plus 4 parentheses all over h. Then we will cross out the h at the numerator and the denominator, so we will be left with f prime of x equals 6x plus 3h plus 4. As you know, h will equal to 0. So 3 times 0 will give you 0. So you will cross out the 3h and we will be left with the final answer that will be f prime of x equals 6x plus 4.
Solving a problem numerically. We will be solving this problem numerically, and the first step is to prove if the problem is defined or undefined. And for doing that, we're inserting the x, in this case minus 1, in the x's of the equation. And the answer will give us a 6. So that means it's defined. And that's all we need to do.